Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can split one single line into multiple asset lines. Say for example, we purchased 10 laptops from one supplier and we created in single line, and after creating the invoice in payables, we transferred that line to FA and the cost belongs to 10 laptops and we need to create them separately in FA module. Click on Navigator or hamburger icon. Click on Payables. Click on Invoices. Click on Task List. Click on Create Invoice. Select your business unit. Select the supplier. Say split lines. And the amount is $10,000. Or let's take it as INR 10,000 rupees. Say now the invoice line is 10,000 rupees, and we'll take the asset code combination asset clearing account. Take asset clearing 15910, hit search, select the GL account code combination and click on OK. Now click on invoice actions, click on validate. The invoice is validated and click on invoice actions, click on post to ledger. The accounting has been completed. Click on view accounting. Yes, item expense debit and liability credit. Now say save, save and close. Click on task list. Click on create mass editions. Select the accounting date, say today, and select your asset book, VO corporate book, and click on submit 6373. Click on navigator. Go to tools, scheduled processes. Click on refresh. Now you can see create mass editions, prepare asset transactional data, and create mass editions report are successfully completed. Now select the record and see the output. Click on null. The asset is successfully created. Now let's check in asset workbench. Click on navigator. Under fixed assets, click on assets. You can find the asset in asset workbench. Now it is one incomplete. Now select this record, click on actions, click on edit. Now say, now change the queue status from new to post. Cost, I am fine with the cost. Give any asset key. Say OK. Give asset key. Say OK. Now give location information. Save OK. Now, how many units you want to split? You want to specify the units. Say 10. That means 10,000 divided by 10. That means 1000 per unit. If you say 5 units, 10,000 divided by 5, that is 2000. So, like that, the total cost divided by how many units, that is the calculation system will do. Now, say save, description, split, assets. Now, say save and close. Now, click on ready to post so that you can see post all. Select this record and click on post all. Click on navigator. Click on tools. Click on scheduled processes. Hit refresh. See, post mass editions report is been successfully completed. Now, review the job, review the report. Click on default document. View corporate book. Now you can see it is successfully completed. 113302. So you have to click on split. Click on navigator. Click on assets. Okay. We'll create one more record. Click on navigator. Click on invoices. Click on task list. Click on create invoice. Select your business unit. Select your supplier. Say split. Say $10,000, 10,000 rupees. Take INR. Now we'll take 10,000. Now view the asset clearing account. 15910. Now say search. Select the GL account code combination. Click on OK. Now validate the invoice. Say continue. Validate. The invoice is validated. Now we'll post it. Post to ledger. Say view accounting. This is fine. Now say save and close. Now click on task list. Click on create mass editions. Give the accounting date. Select your corporate book. Click submit. 6407. Now click on navigator. Say assets. The process is successfully completed and you can see the invoice number split and all. It is incomplete. Now select the record, click on actions, click on edit. Now how many units you want? Let's say 10 units, and give the location information, Atlanta office. Say OK. Select your asset key. Compressor station and click on OK, and change the queue status from new to post. Now everything looks good. Now say save and close. Description, split into 10. This is our description. Now say save and close. Now select the record and click on split. See, system is giving you a warning. The split source line will be split into 10 units with 1 unit each. Do you want to continue? Say yes. Now it has been created 10 lines. You can see 10 lines. So ready to post. Click on ready to post. So select all the records. Click on post all. So all the records will be submitted. So remember the category VO building. Now we will go and search. Now let's check whether they have posted or not. Click on fixed assets. Click on assets. So you can see there is no record available. So now let's search asset inquiry. So search with your category VO building. Now you can see the 10 assets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So this is how you can split one record into multiple records. And if you see, select any one record. If you see the source lines, Oracle payables, since we have created it from payables invoice. Click on home. This is how you can split one invoice line into multiple invoice lines. Sorry, multiple asset records. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.